us, Aisling Anye. Great to be celebrating
Thank
International
you.
Women's Month with you.
Yes, I was just thinking that's awesome.
It is exciting, isn't
yes,
it?
yeah, thank you.
Girl power here.
Girl power.
So we are continuing. So we are very busy. In fact, you know, your shamrocks already half gone.
Yes.
So
but I get to tell a story. Do I?
You get to tell the story. Now, here's the thing. Whether you do the pendant or the earrings, 650 of these have been ordered. I love this. The earrings, by the way, for $11.90.
That's awesome.
That's unbelievable.
Yes.
Just to see the detail, I want you to see how finished they are. The workmanship of your jewelry is
Thank you
very
so much.
beautiful. And here, we're going to get the detail now, but this is a race to the phone if you'd like, with more than 650 pre-ordered. This is a set that you definitely have to consider for you or for a gift.
Well, this piece right here is absolutely amazing. You have two amazing symbols. You have your shamrock and you have your Trinity knots. The shamrock is St. Patrick, really. He made it a very blessed Irish symbol in that he was captured and made a slave at 16. He was a sheep herder, very lonely on the hills, and he found God. And he escaped, went back home. God spoke to him, said, go back to Ireland, right where you were captured, and I want you to spread the gospel. So he does, and he goes in where there's druids and high priests, and his job is to do this. And he's trying to think of a way, and he said, I'm going to do it by nature. I'm going to use the little wee shamrocks that are growing everywhere. So he would pick one, and he would say, okay, look, I got one piece. And he would pluck the little leaves and he'd say, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. 3 parts. So I've got one piece and I have 3 parts. And he would pull it off and then he would explain it. And it was amazing. It got to the point where he became a bishop and he blessed the beads, and now they're wearing them for like war, when they go off to war, because they know they're blessed by St. Patrick. They're also wearing them for weddings, and they're, you know, very traditional.
For luck, for protection. I mean, my goodness. And there's 600 left. Almost 850 have been spoken for, with St. Patty's Day right around the corner. I want to get one for each of my sisters. We're so proud of her. I think, you know, those of us who have Irish heritage, we're very proud of that. My maiden name is McCarthy, Colleen McCarthy. My father was Patrick McCarthy. So for those of you that have Irish heritage, this is such a beautiful treat to give yourself. And I think we all love the idea of a clover, the good luck, and then the Trinity behind it. I mean, this is really very special.
And that's exactly right. Because he taught about the Trinity, we thought, let's put a Trinity in there and make this extra special. So we tucked in the Trinity knots inside the clover, or inside the shamrock, excuse me, because that's what he talked about. A shamrock is 3 leaves and a clover is 4. Right. So now, the greatest thing is each one of those Trinity knots have 3 ichthus fish that make the knot up. So when you cleverly get that home and you're looking at it, you're going to see that each one of those have that in there. So look what you have. You have someone who is spreading the gospel using these shamrocks to talk about Trinities. You have it all in there. And
By
it's
the way,
amazing.
Tammy, I'm just going to share with everybody, the pendant completely sold out. It's only earrings left and maybe 200 pair. More than 1,100 have been spoken for. Really beautiful. I mean, you can see how special these are. The detail is extraordinary here. I want to show you one more time from the back. These make the best gifts, too. If you want to wish a friend good luck on her journey, good luck on her travels, if you have a friend who's starting a new job, who's starting a new adventure, someone who you just want to bring a bit of luck, a bit of hope, and inspiration and peace, this is so perfect. It's 081023. These are sold out. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Enjoy those.
We're counting you in that sellout, those of you that are on the phone, so stay right there. But this is indeed spoken for.